Greetings. Let's find reactions that involve Diboran with these bridging hydrogens here. And I could take the word Diboran and I could go over to Reaxys. And I could go into the structure editor here. And I can paste in the word here and do a search. And it's looking for Diboran. And it's using its dictionaries, and it comes up with a different molecule. Okay, so this isn't the version that I wanted. So what I can do now is I could go back to the another source, and I can grab an INCHI key, of which Wikipedia has them in their info box. And if you look at this, by the way, if you see this green check mark, that means it's validated, okay? And you may notice that this one here has an S above it, and this one doesn't. So the S is the standard, and you can only validate the standard INCHI key. The other could have additional material in it. I now can go over here, clear my template, throw in my key, okay, and now Reaxys knows exactly what I'm after, okay, and it found two records, one with 1,273, so I'm going to load that template. Now I can come down here to my reaction arrow, atom mapping, and if I draw it underneath it, it will show me all reactions that have Diboran in them. So I'm now going to transfer this to the query, do a find, and we came up with 30,000, actually 31,000 reactions. Now, let's say though, instead I change my mind, and I want the reactions that use Diboran as a reagent. Okay, so now I could put the arrow going away from Diboran, transfer to Query Builder, search reactions, and I get 1,200, okay? I could go back and say, well, no, that's not what I want to make this stuff, okay? So I could come over here, throw the arrow there, transfer to Query Builder, and search reactions. And we're coming up with 468 reactions, okay? And yeah, let's just pick the ones that use potassium, okay? So I could go back over to my Query Builder, open that back up. And now I'm going to add potassium as a reagent, use salts of potassium. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to hit a K. And now I need to make it an ion. So I come over here to increase charge, hover over that. Now I've got a K+1. Transfer to Query Builder. And now I've defined a reactant, a product, and I'm going to search the reactions. And I've come up with 13 reactions that do this. Now let's say I'm interested in this one here. I could click it. Then I could go limit to or exclude. And I'm going to limit to it. And now I can export that. I can export this as a PDF. If I was doing data, I might want a Microsoft Excel file, but I could also do this as a Word file, but I'm going to do it as a PDF. And sometimes this takes a second. I probably should have done that before making the video, but this is a short one. The internet is always the fastest here. And once this is created, I can now go and download it to my computer. And now I've got a PDF that I can print out, first with the query, and then with the reaction and conditions and yield involved for my query. Thank you.